Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to stop random people from adding you on Snapchat. So if you keep seeing different friend requests on Snapchat and you want to stop this random fellow from sending you friend requests on your Snapchat account, then here's a video for you. So if none of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to stop random people from adding you on Snapchat, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Snapchat application. Once opened, click on the Bitmoji at the top left, which is your profile picture. Now, click on the settings icon at the top right. Then, there are two things involved here that we need to do. So, just scroll down to where you see Privacy Control. Under Privacy Control, locate and click on Contact Me and set this to Friends. So, once you set who can contact directly with Snapchat to Friends, this will limit those who can contact you on Snapchat. And lastly, there is one more thing you need to do here. Locate and click on Show Me in Find Friends. If Show Me in Find Friends is enabled, like this, you want to go ahead and then disable this feature. So once you disable See Me in Find Friends, this is going to stop showing you on the Find Friends list on the Snapchat page. And then with that two options, you can be rest assured that you stop receiving unnecessary requests from Snapchat. So that's exactly how to stop people from adding you randomly on Snapchat. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.